some people are asking, how do I maintain consistency and continue improving over time? People are basically interested in what drives my motivation and how I keep on growing in the industry and the techniques I've implemented in continuous improvement. I'm like, some of the things, that has helped me in my consistency improving over time is one of the key things. Number one is hungry. I am hungry, you know, and I am hungry because I have observed how other people have basically impacted the world, and I've basically set it upon myself to say, what, I also want to impact the world in my own way. So that hunger, helps me to want continuously to continue growing. It's like, for example, my current workflow now, I started working on it sometime in 2023 January, and I developed this workflow. And then I saw the same year around from November in my industry, products were developed, products started rolling out that did what my workflow does, And for me, it is that desire to continue to want to push boundaries so that I can make my contribution. So that hunger, it really helps me. And then the other thing is mentors. I have different mentors from different parts of the world, and I'm constantly having conversations with them, and constantly every other time as I walk my journey of life sound, I get to different crossroads. And as I have conversations with them, they give me advice, specific advice to go with that crossroad. Sometimes I say to sound engineers is the best way to learn and to grow as a sound engineer is you must be specific in your questions. When you are specific in your questions and your challenge, it means the answers you also get are also specific as well. And then you overcome that challenge. That way you are also continuously growing. These to me are like some of the key things that have helped me. And also, like at the back of my head, I've always desired, I've always had this goal that 100 years from now, I want people, when they talk about the advancement of the entertainment industry, I just want my name to be there, And because I've seen other people do it, and these people, they were not any more intelligent or any more wiser, or they did everything that they needed. But I saw from the work that I do, doing work for some of the most influential people in the world, some of the people that have made the most impact in the world, like impacting people's lives in a positive way. Some of these people, the key thing that they have is really, they've really set their minds, on that particular goal. And also, I've also realized the more pure your intention is the longer you're going to stay at something. Because now I've been a sound engineer for 22 years. Now in 2024, I've worked with other engineers that they only did it for like 5 years or 10 years. Some only did it for 3 years. To be able to stay longer, it just takes more. So for me, I know the more pure your intentions, the more bigger the goal that you want to achieve at the end of the day is what will keep you motivated for the longest time. So for me, these are just some of the things that basically inspire me to keep on pushing.